Come on, guy, tell me, are you looking for the best traffic for free traffic for affiliate marketing? So in the video of today, I'm going to share with you what I believe is the best free traffic for affiliate marketing. And guess what? By discovering this traffic method, you're going to see that it doesn't just pay you sales leads this time, but it will keep on doing it for years ahead. So I really invite you to stick to the end of this video, because I believe that you're going to learn something new and enjoy it. So without further ado, let me just share what it is. Okay, so here we are. So I'm gonna share my screen with you guys, and don't forget, if you haven't already, subscribe and like to this channel. You are here in Travelers Generation with Seal, and in this channel we talk a lot about how to make money online, and especially with affiliate marketing, and also give some great reviews about different methods to make money online. If you want to know more, you can just log into the channel to see all the videos we made. So okay, so the best free traffic for affiliate marketing in 2020 for beginners. So this is the topic of the video of today. So I'm going to share with you this traffic method that a lot of people knows, but they don't really consider how big and how powerful it is. So first of all, I just want to say, in this video, you're gonna learn what it is, how this traffic method works, who is it for, what I personally like with this traffic method, and what I don't, because of course it's some limitation, and the conclusion that I will just bring to you. So first of all, what it is, and guess what it is? Please put in comment, what do you think it is? Put it quickly in the comment, and I'm going to see. So you guess, the traffic method I'm going to show you is YouTube. Yes, for me, YouTube is this traffic method. How does it work? So you have your offer, and you have customers on one side, and you get sales at the other side. So YouTube for me is the best free traffic source that you can have in order for you to make sales, and I'm gonna explain you why. So how does it work? It works that you make a video one time and one time only, and once you've done that, oh my goodness, in fact you can even re-upload some of your oldest videos. So it isn't beautiful. So you make one video one time, and once you've done that, your video, Google will promote your video. Not just Google, but many search engine will promote your video. For example, if you search on Yahoo a specific keyword related to your video, your video will show up. So, and this means that your video will be visible to many consumers, and it will lead you to many different kind of sales. So this is how it works. You make a video one time, your video get promoted, and you get sales. So this is how it works, just simple. So the next question I want to answer is that, who is it for? Who this type of traffic is it for? And I tell you, you're going to be surprised, because first of all, I believe that Google is for those who enjoy speaking and sharing. Not just speaking, but also sharing. But I think if you enjoy speaking, it may be enough. But if you enjoy speaking and sharing, guys, I tell you definitely, you will enjoy doing YouTube, because this is the only thing you're gonna do. Speak and share what you know. So the other kind of people who are it's concerned is those who like to see themselves in a mirror. Why do I take a glass or a mirror? Because you know, this is the same effect that you have when you are taking yourself into a video, or just those who like to take also picture of themselves. You see, if you like to watch yourself in mirror and glasses, or take some pictures of yourself, I can guarantee you that you will feel very, very comfortable in front of a video. If I may tell you my little secret, please don't share it with with many people. In fact, I don't used to take a lot of pictures, but I really feel comfortable in front of the camera. I don't know why, but because for me, I'm in the first point, I enjoy speaking and I enjoy sharing. That's why I believe that I really like doing YouTube. And so I'm going to talk what I really like with YouTube, and after that, we're going to see what I don't. So first of all, what I like with YouTube is that you can get leads many years later. I mean by that is that you can make a video now, but 7 years, 10 years, 9 years later, Google will keep on showing your videos to new people. In fact, myself, I used to watch video, even try to buy, subscribe, or just engage with many videos that have been posted 7, 9 years ago. So that is the beauty of YouTube. And don't forget, it's your video doesn't just show up on YouTube, but it also show on Google, on Yahoo, on DuckDuckGo. I guess this is the website. So on many different search engines. This is another thing I really like with YouTube, and it's completely free. It's completely free, don't forget it. So the other thing that YouTube can become a really passive income out, because once you start to make a lot of videos, you reach a certain threshold of subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, you're gonna start to make money by promoting, by having some AdSense on your YouTube channel. This is the way you can start to make money passively. And yeah, YouTube can really become a lot of people are living from Facebook, from YouTube, just making videos. This is their job. So it can be the same thing for you. So the other thing is that you learn to become consistent and better with YouTube, because for me, if you see my previous video, you will see that I'm improving consistently. I'm learning new way of doing things. I'm just improving myself. So I believe that YouTube is not just a type of things you do and you rest. No, you are doing it, you become better, and you also learn the power of consistency with YouTube. So what I don't like with YouTube, I don't want to say I don't like, but it's such kind of negative point with YouTube, like in many things. So it may take time before you start to see your first result. So you must be patient. You must be patient. This is the point that you must know about YouTube. You must be patient. You must be consistent, patient and consistent, patient and consistent. How can you be patient and consistent? Just remember what you're gonna get when you stick with YouTube. For me, I believe that one day I will be with 1 million subscribers, and I'm doing the work now for not having to work a lot later. So just be consistent and patient. So that's it, guys. So to finish, I'm going to give my conclusion about this free traffic method for you affiliate marketers, for you in fact, any type of business you may be in. And yeah, it's 5 star. Don't forget, a lot of people are consuming more and more videos. So it means that today YouTube is as just 2 billion people. So now we are at 7 billion. So when the other billion we start to jump onto Facebook, the things will just explode. And what I wish you is that you don't be late on YouTube. Don't be late on YouTube, guys. Start to make your first video. The only thing you need is your cell phone, guys. You can start to have some beautiful picture of yourself on the cell phone, and that's it. That's it. And yeah, for me, I've started with my cell phone, this phone. I start to make my first video after I get this beautiful camera. So that's the way we do it, guys. I hope you enjoy this video, that you learned something. Please, if you enjoy this video and learn something, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. For me, I've just one word: I wish you well with your affiliate or your online business. And don't forget to jump into YouTube, because the earlier you start, the better it is. So remember, my name is Sid, and I say you bye bye, take care.